Hey friends, if you want to know how you can set a live wallpaper on your windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So it might seem impossible that we are going to have a live wallpaper for our desktop like a moving wallpaper, but it is very possible and I'm going to share to you on how we can do that. So in the Windows search bar, type here store to open the Microsoft Store. Go ahead and click on that under the best match. Then here you just have to simply type for lively wallpaper. It's lively wallpaper and then click on this search button. Then you will find the first option lively wallpaper. Click on that. Then here just click on this get button. It has also high ratings and also garnered a lot of stars. So this is a reliable application. So we are just going to wait for this to be downloaded into our Windows. So this is currently installing the application, then we just have to wait for this. Once done, simply close this window and then search for lively wallpaper in the Windows search bar. So as a confirmation that this has been installed, you have to click on this. So here, by default, you have all of this lively wallpaper, wherein if you're going to choose any of this, then you will have a lively wallpaper for your Windows. However, if you do not like this designs right here, click on this plus sign symbol. Then you can simply choose a file from your file explorer, or you can also enter a URL from YouTube, which is a lively wallpaper, which is a live or in motion wallpaper. Let's say, for example, this one. Then click on yes. Click on OK. Click on yes. Then let me show you for the desktop. You will see that we have a lively wallpaper from YouTube. So as you can see, the birds, the objects in my wallpaper are in motion. So you can also do this for your windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.